Let's learn and speak. Hello everyone and dear children, once again welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Before entering into the video, please consider to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting upcoming videos. Today in this video, we will learn how to pronounce the OI sound in French. Comment prononcer le son OI en français? In French, the letter combination OE is pronounced similar to the first two letters of the English word what. That means the letter combination OE is pronounced as va. For example, moi, which means me in English. Moi, me. Toi, which means you. Toi, you. Soi, which means self. Soi, self. Loi, which means la. Loi, la. Roi, which means king. Roi, king. Noir, which means black. Noir, black. Soir, which means evening. Soir, evening. Voir, which means look or see. Voir, look. Soif, which means thirsty. Soif, thirsty. Boire, which means to drink. Boire, to drink. Doigt, which means fingers. Doigt, fingers. Voiture, which means car. Voiture, car. Toilette, which means bathroom. Toilette, bathroom. Poivre, which means pepper or capsicum. Poivre, pepper. Poisson, which means fish. Poisson, fish. Oiseau, which means bird. Oiseau, bird. Au revoir, which means goodbye. Au revoir, goodbye. Étoile, which means star. Étoile, star. Froid, which means cold. Froid, cold. Trois, which means three. Trois, three. Droite, which means right. Droite, right. Miroir, which means mirror. Miroir, mirror. Mois, which means month. Mois, month. Loin, which means far. Loin, far. Armoire, which means cupboard. Armoire, cupboard. Voici, which means here is. Voici, here is. Déboîter, which means disconnect. Déboîter, disconnect. Mademoiselle, which means miss. Mademoiselle, miss. Éloigner, which means to move away. Éloigner, to move away. Croissant, croissant. Once again we repeat. Moi, me. Toi, you. Soi, self. Loi, law. Roi, king. Noir, black. Soir, evening. Voir, look. Soif, thirsty. Boire, to drink. Doigt, fingers. Voiture, car. Toilette, bathroom. Poivre, pepper. Poisson, fish. Oiseau, bird. Au revoir, goodbye. Étoile, star. Froid, cold. Trois, three. Droite, right. Miroir, mirror. Mois, month. Loin, far. Armoire, cupboard. Voici, here is. Déboîter, disconnect. Mesdemoiselles, miss. Éloigner, to move away. Croissant, croissant. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.